Welcome this video. Craft wood and shine craft natural art, a touch of speckling in the world of handcraft architecture. Pure material as much rustic charm and cabin security as craftwood touch and succulent by the target branch by the sun and shape by natural heart each price tall and story of time and trend convenient this original elegant with a touch of shine glass metal of light and you create craft going that is both age and enthusiast craftwood and shine craft this unique and boho of natural and refined elegant have become favorite among craft home house decoration and even minimalist design less explored have become favorite craft home decoration and even maximalist design less explored how craftwood and shining can be going to create shine price then captivate inside how you can bring craft your owning the magical of craftwood is more than just a price of wood it's a to a long join creating long craftwood undergoing and transforming the elements staying away to bring back soft its elegant and long bring smoke weather price that are both strong and lightweight its appear line in natural various not two price are a echoing textile interior palette going various depend natural touch craftwood and freight and term complement more color palette. Asia friendly repurpose fund wood supported centrability create craftwood is popular in choosy and bahu decoration shade but then paired with modern shining a task on a contemporary and sophistication edge. Add the shine in craftwood craft reference to elegant that catch line and reference bring this inside glass bring and magically make surface glowing and warm. LED lights and both that material beautiful Beautiful and craftwood surface created various balance and elegance. Sun to centrability like and boho of the post on a decoration as in the middle, succulent and design. Popular craftwood or shining project. Here are some of the most popular and inspire warm aesthetic enthusiasts are convenient craftful or shine, wall art and succulent. Moment craftwood price on a backboard and aesthetic theme with magically lined post create stream wall bin agreement shade sun-bearing design or convenient choose. Shine idea. Fair gold with Rustic and embrace magically fail. Warm part and included with smart glass. Add blacklist back light for a glue effect. Mobile and window charm. Lightweight and full of movement. Craftwood mobile can various then paired with shiny material that catch the sun of steam in the bring. Shining idea. Use seen glass post shell on old, incorporating window ball make for material for smart palette. The mobile for various stone structure bring mirror and frame. Frame mirror or photo with craft would create a rustic look, but in various and referent stone magically bring give the price add elegant shining idea. Frame the modern with craft wood and interior glass between price. Create a stream. Use reading with gold edge. Table Centra price.